Hello everyone, welcome to my channel B3. Today I will be uploading another video about my artworks. It's been months that I have uploaded my video and I cannot update my channel as much as the viewers would demand. I will be showing today a 3-segment video and I will be showing most amazing satisfying videos, okay, as I would like to call it. And I'll be using some simple tools which everyone can use, and I'll be using first of all some tissue papers, a box with a cap, and some sketch pens. I hope you can bear me as a beginner. Let's watch. Subscribe to my channel. Type in B3 BIKASH and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.